In this video, I will show you how to check the weight transfer system on an AT450. First, we're going to check the switch. To do this, open up the side panel. To test the switch, first remove the connector. You can do this by just pulling it down. Next, set your multimeter to test ohms and put your leads on the switch's terminals. Because the switch is normally open, we should get an open circuit when we test it. Put the front lift lever into the float position and repeat the test. This time, if the switch is being activated properly, we should get a reading of 0 ohms. Next, we're going to test the fuse. The fuse is located here. To test it, we are going to put the multimeter to ohms and put it on the fuse. If it's good, we should get a reading of 0 ohms. Next, we will test the connectors to the solenoids shown here. These have tabs on the inside that you are able to push in and then lift the connector out. With the key in the run position, set the multimeter to DC voltage and put your positive lead in the positive side of the connector and ground the negative lead. For both of these connectors, we should get a reading under 0.5 volts. Put the front lift lever into the float position and repeat the test. If the connectors are working correctly, it should have the same voltage as the battery.